Hey, Raj Jha from Practice Alchemy. And one of the questions that we answer a lot is, how should I be pricing my services? And it's a question that a lot of attorneys have because they're following the traditional pricing model of attorneys. And that is to look to the left, look to the right, and pick a price that they see others using or that they feel isn't too high. And the problem with that pricing method is it's letting your competitors pick your price. Now, said that way, it doesn't make a lot of sense, right? Just because Bob is charging $250 an hour and Mary's charging $350 an hour, I want to be reasonable, so I'll charge $300 an hour. Is that really a way to price your services? Whereas if you think about value and the value that you deliver, isn't that a better way to think about what your price should be? So I want to encourage you to challenge some of the assumptions about how you're pricing. Because one of the things that we've found is if you can get the confidence to ignore what the rest of the market is doing, and you can set up a marketing process which positions you as a thought leader, as exclusive, you actually gain a tremendous amount of price elasticity. And for some lawyers, they're just shutting down and thinking, no, the only way, people only buy on price. That mindset is because you're there, not because they're there. And because you are probably seeing a self-reinforcing behavior where you're competing based on price, so you're attracting those clients who are shopping based on price. When the reality is there is a significant portion of the market which doesn't make choices based on price. They make it based on relationship, and they make it based on value. So if right now you're feeling price pressure or you're getting a lot of price negotiation, it probably means something in your process, in your marketing and sales process of getting the engagement, is not setting you up as an expert, is not setting you up as someone who could be obtained only at a premium price. So challenge the assumption that your price has to have anything to do with your competition. If you're thinking that way, you're probably thinking about it in the wrong way, and you're probably displaying a lack of pricing confidence. Because if you've set up your marketing in the right way, if you've set up your engagement process in the right way, it's not about price. It should be about value. Because ultimately, we need to deliver value to our clients. That's why they're retaining us. So if you are not adequately capturing that value, it probably means that you haven't tried all of those things that happen before you're actually sitting face-to-face or on the phone with the client making the pitch. So challenge some of those assumptions and think about how you arrived at your price. If this is something that's interesting to you and you want to talk more about where you are and what's driving your price and how to increase your prices, how to increase your profitability, you can have a quick 10-minute call with our practice growth team. On the screen, you should see a link. You just visit that link, click on it, and schedule a quick 10-minute call. And my practice growth team will be happy to talk about if and how we can help you, what your prices are, what your potential is in your market. So visit that link now.